Recently, Chicago area mothers who are passionate about children's health went into their communities with video cameras in order to find out what local residents are saying about the National Children's Study.
The main concern of our community at this time, I think it's obesity. There are many, but if I have to think of one, 48% of the patients, of the children who come to our clinic, 48% are overweight or obese.
With young children, I see a lot of kids being diagnosed with asthma. I see the rise in diabetes.
And the soil is contaminated, and it has too much lead in it to actually raise gardens directly in the soil. That's why we're doing raised beds.
I have a nephew who's 7 years old and he's autistic, and I would definitely like to try to understand that a little more.
Honestly, I would want to know, why is it that our children are so sick?
What is it exactly that's causing our patients to be obese? Is it genetics? Is it environment? Is it something particularly in the environment? We talk about tooth decay, same thing. We talk about asthma. Is it because we have a coal plant in the community? Is it because we have a gene that's predisposes to asthma? Is it something that we don't know what it is? We think about the coal plant, but it's something else. So to find out answers to our present health concerns.
For me personally, I think studies like this are very important because I have 4 children myself. One child passed away as an infant, and we had gone through genetic counseling back then. He would be 26 years old. Stephen, he was born with a congenital heart deformity, and you're talking fast forwarding maybe 21 years, the amount of technology that can be developed in that amount of time. Now they're saving babies with the same condition that my son had. It's bittersweet, but it's awesome to see that, I was able to outlive. And the same thing here, if a study like this can discover things and to compile data and be able to understand and then learn from that and move forward, what causes things like ADD, ADHD, autism. Wow, that's just such an impact. So that's why I'm passionate about this study as well. It seems like a long time, but it's not.
The Greater Chicago Study Center would like to thank everyone who made this video possible. If you have any questions about the National Children's Study, give us a call at 1-866-315-7124 to learn more.